My father was a wholesaler in this industry, and so I grew up kind of doing installation, assembly, and so forth. Shortly after that, got an education, worked for several Fortune 5s. About 6 years after that, decided to come back into the family business, and in 2011, we decided to spin off. And one of the passions was developing our own manufacturing facility in the USA. Lockers Manufacturing is in the security storage solutions business. The way that we deliver security storage solution is through the vehicle of a locker system. We can do any design, any material, any technology. One of the things that I love is being able to serve others and serve people. I like the fact that we have a good purpose behind our company, that we actually protect people's belongings, and it has value in the communities that we serve. One of the things about Batesville historically is they've lost some key manufacturers over the last decade, so they haven't had a lot of population growth to the area. Population follows good jobs, and not just good jobs, but jobs that have upside, their upper mobility.
We hope that our impact in this little corner of the town is going to grow outwards, and I think we're already starting to see that.
The job at Lockers means a lot to me, really. I like waking up every morning, ready to come in here and be part of the team. I was kind of at the bottom, when I first started working here, and now I'm climbing the ladder, with the training and the skills I got led me to be the lead now. And the management's great, the people we work around are great, and this is a good company to work for, and I wouldn't rather be anywhere else.
When I came from a company where I was a supervisor. When I got here, building the company from the ground up and actually growing with the company, it helped me grow as an individual as well. Different aspects of professional and at home, take on more responsibility, help you grow as a person.
Batesville is it's a small town. It's not as many job opportunities around, People will have to go here and go there, to find a decent job. And so when Lockers moved in, it provided the opportunity for people to be able to just take care of their families and not have to drive too far to go to work.
I lost my job, so I came here and I filled out the application, and I was hired like a week later, and it was totally new. Me walking in to a brake press, learning how, make lockers for all over the world. Training and skill was excellent.
And so as we continue to grow our sales force and our new product development, we've got a lot of hyper growth going on, and so we've got a new addition coming to the facility. We've got more automation coming into the facility. We've got an unbelievable staff. We've got an unbelievable group of employees, and just the dedication when we were building the plan, a lot of this was done through the COVID years, and just the challenges that we had to face and the dedication that we had from the team. Every one of our team members, rose up and did their part, and we all enjoy the grind together.